Hello guys, I'm here again with you to show you the work that we are gonna be today. Today is not typical day because we are starting. It's around what, almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a little late, but we were busy this morning, so we decided to start this small job this afternoon just to take advantage of the time. I came here like 2 weeks ago. I did a consultation with the customer. He wants to do a full sanding job because he had water damage in the past, and the floor, of course, is not looking good. So it was the best option for him. So he decided to do the job. He booked in the spot, and we are here to start the job. Right now, we are gonna start to put the plastic and cover all the stuff, but it's okay. We are here in Parker, Colorado. I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys where I'm at. All right, guys, this is a little outside of Parker. It's a farm area. Beautiful, beautiful weather, beautiful. It's a sunny day. So, but anyway, guys, let me show you. This is the floor that we are gonna be doing. It's gonna stay natural color, but as you can see with this process of full sanding, all the fade that you can see here and all you can see there is gonna disappear with this process. Here is where the customer had the water damage in the past, but of course we will take care of that issue as well. So yeah, it's around 400 square feet. Maybe it's gonna take us 2.5 days maximum, I will say, to finish this job. But anyway, guys, stay tuned to see the process and see the final result as well. All right, guys, we're back here. Look at this floor, how it's looking. Yesterday we did the first coat, and now we are applying the second coat, and look at how it's looking, this floor. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. The restoration of this floor after we did full sanding is amazing. Let me go in the other way and show you guys here. That is how it looks after the first coat, but now with the second coat, even better. All right, guys, if you want this kind of service, don't hesitate to contact me, 327-1127. See you next time.